Hi everyone. This video we'll be learning about scales and maps and the ratio that comes along with it. So how to read a scale and everything. This is advanced ratio. So I am assuming you already have some knowledge about ratio prior to watching this video. So let's get started. Firstly, in a scale you would see something like this 1 cm in the map represents maybe, like, for example, 2 kilometers in real life, right? So how do you represent this in the scale? You would do it this way: 1 cm is to 2 km, which is the same as 1 cm is to 2000 meters, which is the same as 1 cm to 2000 times 100, so it's 200,000 cm. And so the scale will be 1:200,000. This is what you would usually see in a map, right? You would see a scale like this. What it means is that 1 cm on the map represents 200,000 cm in real life. So when it comes to this, is what you would call as a length or distance ratio. Yeah. So how will you use this now? Basically, if you are told that you have on the map a pathway measures, for example, 10 cm. How many cm is it in real life, right? So this way you can just do whichever method you would use. I like to use the flow method. Just a quick recap of what the flow method is. If A is to B, C is to question mark, right? You can see this ratio. So I see the question mark is over here. I can go this way or I can go this way and I can get an answer. So I can, if I'm going this way over here, I'll go C over A times B. If I'm going this way, I'll get B over A times C. Eventually, you will get the same answer, which will give you the question mark, right? So for this question over here, I will get 10 over 1 times 200,000, which is 2 million cm. And then of course you can convert this to kilometers or meters or whatever you want to convert it to. So that is the basic, right? That is the length ratio. Now let me ask you another question. Let's move on a bit more. So right now I'm making a model or a model paper plane. Sorry, a model plane, right? So and the length ratio, or the ratio in general, the scale, let's put it the scale, which is what you'll be told. The scale is 1 is to 300. Let's just do that. 1 is to 300. So you should already understand what this means. This means that 1 cm on the model represents 300 cm in real life. Yeah? So this is what you call, this is the length scale, a length ratio. If I want to go on to find the area ratio, I will have to square this. So here, 1 square is to 300 square. So it's 1 is to 900. So this means 1 cm square on model, it represents 900 cm square in real life. Yeah? And now we move on to volume ratio. So now I hope you understand what is volume. Volume is three-dimensional, right? So this is area is two-dimensional. Length is one-dimensional. Volume is three-dimensional. So you cube it. So 1 cube is to 300 cube. So 1 is to 27 and 4 zeros. So this means 1 cm cube on model represents 270,000 cm cube in real life. Yeah, so you just from the scale itself you should be able to find out what is the area ratio, what is the volume ratio, and using that you should be able to solve any of the questions you have with regards to map and scales and everything. I hope a lot of students are facing problems with this kind of questions because they don't understand, how to find the area ratio or the volume ratio. But I hope this solves your the basic concept, and right now you can apply this to solve the questions. And if you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Let us know, and we will try and help you in whichever way we can. All right, cheers, take care, bye bye.